Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in today's video we're going to talk about Cash App for small business payments. First, if you haven't already downloaded or installed Cash App and create an account for small business use, you can set up a business profile within the app. To do this, tap your profile icon, then scroll down and select personal and switch it to business. When you switch to a business account, you can start receiving payments from customers for goods and services. One of the best features is the ability to create your unique cash tag. That is your personalized identifier that customers can use to pay you easily. Share your cash tag on your website, social media, or invoices. Cash App charges a 2.75% fee on all business transactions, so keep that in mind when pricing your products or services. Payments usually appear instantly in your Cash App balance, and from there you can transfer the funds to your linked bank account or use the cash card to spend directly. Another helpful feature is the ability to send invoices directly from Cash App. Simply tap request, enter the amount, and add a note describing the product or service. Then send it via text, email, or share the link with your customer. Security is key when handling payments. Cash App uses encryption and fraud detection to protect your account. Still, it's important to enable two-factor authentication and use a strong PIN to keep your money safe. Finally, for the tax time, Cash App provides a 1099K form if you receive over $600 in business payments, so you can stay compliant with IRS reporting requirements. So this was it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe the channel and ring the bell to get notified for the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.